हेलो पीपल, व्हाट्स अप। अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं पूरी बीच को। हम लोग आए थे मालती पाटपुर के पास। टुडे विल बी टेकिंग द न्यू रोड दैट वाज मेड, which will be under Sri Setu, and we will be crossing the Mangala Ghat to go directly near the sea beach. Will not be entering the city via this road, and this will be the optimal for the people who just want to visit the beach and not face the traffic. And from beach you can go towards temple if you want. This is the entry place that will see Puri, a such iconic place. And this is the diversion that I was talking about. If we continue straight, will we go via the city, but we'll be taking the diversion out so that we'll be directly going to the sea beach and will not have to face the traffic. Thank you. I'll be going this way. This will, and we are taking the first exit out from the there, and this is the road to beach, Puri Sea Beach via Mangalagat. Here, the road is pretty wide and the street light is pretty good, and I think it should be well enough for the mic to be considered for well use. The only concern I have right now is the mic is loose. It is not directly attached to anything, so there might be some rumbling when the mic is rubbing against the chin curtain. But apart from that, I am very, very confident about the quality of audio that I will be obtaining from this recording session. Bro, pick a lane. Okay, these are the places that are made for the people who are walking, so that they can rest and continue their journey for salvation. Bro, these roads are really good. So I'm planning to start a series for the motor talks, and that would be that I will be taking you around the good roads where you can drive a little bit freely, where the roads are good, there is less traffic, you can move around about the city with ease. That what the series would be about, and it will be making my easiest paths available to you so that you can use. But please don't make it crowded. This is the Sri Setu that is built, and there is parking over that side, and this side you can just continue on this road. If we continue to join this road, you see that bike is coming from over there, and if we keep on going, this is still a very good road, but there's a little bit of undulations and little bit of cracks, but still much better than a lot of inside city roads where constructions and everything is going on. This is to Brahmagiri, this is to inside of the Puri, and this is directly towards the beach. And we are taking this road, so we are going directly towards beach. So this road was good, but now you can see for constructions and all, there is little bit of bad patches of the road, and there are lots of animals like cows and oxes on the road, so be a little bit of careful on this patch of the road. The rest of the road, I think it's pretty clean, and depending on what time of the year you come, there might be something or else going on in this road, so keep out for that also. But generally speaking, these are the finest roads available around the city. Really, really good roads. I like these roads. In these roads you can actually feel the power of a motorcycle. Like my motto would be like, go as fast as you can stop. Yeah, that you can see. Dun, 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 dun. the lights are on and these roads are, the middle patches that are, freshly done, dark roads. It gives such a pretty vibe, man. You can see it's such a pretty road. Ha ha ha. Okay, so now that we have reached the end of that road, you can go to the right. You will have the Hotel Sterling, and we'll be going left, where we can go to the Golden Beach. We'll take the first right out, or you can continue straight and you will reach the lighthouse. But we are going to the beach right now, and excuse me. And we have reached the beach. Let me see if my regular parking spot is open or not. I think it's busy with people, but whatever. I'll stay here only. Yeah. So welcome to the beach.